recovered from him about 5 kg of manufactured MDMA narcotic substance, which is worth about 10 crores in the international market.
The Narcotics wing of the Central Crime Branch has arrested a Nigerian national for manufacturing MDMA drug in his rented house in Bengaluru. The accused has been identified as Benjamin Chidubem. The police report indicates that the individual used to manufacture MDMA in his residence, which functioned as a makeshift laboratory using a pressure cooker and various utensils. The Central Crime Branch seized 5 kilograms of MDMA worth approximately rupees 10 crore. The Bengaluru Police Commissioner B. Dayananda said that the suspect resided in Avalahalli, presenting himself as a garments dealer. Officials also confiscated 12.450 kilograms of MSM, 5 kilograms of sodium hydroxide crystals, 5 liters of hydrochloric acid, 2.5 liters of acetone, a 5-liter prestige pressure cooker, a gas stove, a gas cylinder, a mobile phone, 2 digital weighing scales, and seized a scooter. According to the police, the accused manufactured drugs and distributed them to sub-peddlers, including individuals from Nigeria. During the investigation, the suspect provided details on how he acquired the necessary raw materials. He faces charges under the relevant sections of the Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act and the Foreigners Act. He is currently in police custody for 7 days. The investigation is ongoing, with authorities working to uncover the underlying causes of the incident.
Crime Branch has cracked down on a major drug predator in Bangalore city who is of African origin, and they have apprehended him, and they have recovered from him about 5 kg of manufactured MDMA narcotic substance, which is worth about 10 crores in the international market. Along with that one, lot of raw materials, chemicals which are required in the manufacture of these MDMA crystals have also been seized from it. Besides some pressure cookers, cylinder, and various other materials which are generally used for the manufacture of these MDMA form of narcotic substance. He had set up a small lab by taking a house on rent in Avalahalli limits on the outskirts of Bangalore city, and there he was preparing this MDMA substance, and he was pushing it into the market. The police have arrested him and taken him into 7 days of police custody. His detailed information is going up. With this interrogation, we aim to achieve the scores of his getting all these raw materials, and also the other peddlers to whom we were supplying, or the clients to whom we were supplying in Bangalore city and other places also. It will take some time, but we definitely will go to the root of this entire drug supply